Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and blur a person or object there in your Capcut video. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will go ahead step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go open our Capcut. What you will do is go ahead, tap on this new project option, go ahead and find a video that you would like to blur. So for example, this is the video, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this add option. So I have this video. So what you will do is first tap on this effect option, tap on this video effect, then you will go to this lens option right here, and then you will scroll down and find this blur option, filter. Simply go ahead, tap on it, tap on this check mark, and now you will drag it till your video. Then you will go back and tap on this overlay option right here, tap on add, and select the same clip that you just imported. And as you can see, now it's gonna look like this, right? So what you can do is, I'm showing you guys the easiest way right here. So you can see the overlay clip, right, and adjust your clip to the size of the previous one. You can see this mask option, right? Go ahead, tap on it. You will choose a mask, but if you're blurring a face, it's better for you guys to choose a circle right here. You can go ahead, choose any of the ones. Then you will tap on this invert option, tap on it. Now as you can see, the background that we added the blur is now here. Go ahead, place it wherever you would like to, tap on this check mark, and you can see now and then as you can see, we added the blur over here. So right here it's correct. So if you want to put that blur over here, so what you're gonna do is simply select a part where you would like to add blur, because it's like moving a video, right, changing. So go ahead, go there, and you will tap on this option with the plus right here, tap on it, and then you go ahead, choose another part where your clip is moving. Go ahead, again tap on this, tap on this mask option, and now adjust this check mark. So you can see it's adjusted right here, and do the same with here as well. Once you're done, simply go ahead, tap on this exporting option, go ahead, tap on it, and your video will be exported, will be saved there in your gallery, and you're good. So yes guys, I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.